Alright, so here's the Apple Bell and Howell computer that I'm going to be selling on eBay. I'm going to do a power on test. So I'm going to turn it on the back, and you should listen. You can hear the disk drive come on, and you can see the lights light up. Here we go. I just take the light out so you can see that. Hopefully the power that much better on both the disk drive and the computer itself. Alright, so that does come on. I do not know if it's working. I'm only showing that it powers on. I'm going to turn it off. Show some of the serial numbers on it. So you can see the serial number on that. This is a Bell and Howell with the full, I think what they called an interface. That back piece. And now hopefully let me show you the serial number on the computer itself. Okay, let's see if you can see this. Okay, so 003560. There's something different here. Looks like 0267008. I seriously doubt you'll be able to see that. Yeah, it's not focusing. Nice camera. Okay. So, again, going to be for sale. Sold as is. Powers on, makes some noises, lights come on. That is my only representation. I do not know if this actually works. Okay, just going to show some additional video. See, there's a piece of duct tape. I've chosen not to take it off. It would come off, but overall, cosmetically in pretty good shape. There are a few places that kind of it's scratched. I'm going to put this down for a minute and open it up. Okay. So I've detached it. Again, I don't know what I'm looking at here. 115 volts it says. Apple. There is a card here. ROM card 1978. There is a disk 2 interface card. And then there is this piece. I do not have any idea what this is. It is attached via a wire. Again, there's tape. It says Unit 2. Do not know what it is. Plugged in. That's, I'm pretty sure, for the joystick. So that's the insides of this Bell and Howell that I am, again, selling on eBay.